He brandished a pistol and fired. The cap exploded, but the gunpowder did not ignite, a misfire. Lawrence pulled another pistol from his pocket and fired again with the same result. Lawrence was tackled and subdued by several onlookers, including Tennessee Congressman Davy Crockett. Jackson charged his attacker, intent on caning him, and yelled, "Let me alone, I know where this came from." Though he had no evidence, Jackson alleged that his political enemies had sent the assassin. It soon became evident that no one would partner with Richard Lawrence. Lawrence and some family members had immigrated to the U.S. from England around 1812 when Richard was about 12 years old. He lived a relatively normal childhood and became a house painter.